Honor what you feel. Your feelings are a divine gift given to you as a navigational system designed to help you to remain balanced and centered, moving in the right direction. You see, good feelings only feel good because they are letting you know that you are in your right and divine place. They are your true nature. Feeling good. You want to feel good today. And you enjoy life more when you feel positive emotions. You're always looking for more ways to feel good each and every day. You know that the simple act of looking for ways to feel good allows you to feel good. And you love feeling good, just as you should. Your aim in life is not to feel good every second of every day. Your aim in life is to feel as good as possible and appropriate for you in that given moment. And when you don't feel good, that's okay. It's just letting you know that you're moving in the wrong direction and that your thoughts are focused where you do not want them to be focused. And this you have absolute control over because you can change it. You have the ability to relax your mind and allow your thoughts to settle in. And when you have relaxed your mind, your thoughts and feelings tend to improve just by the mere act of relaxing your mind. You're so happy that you're taking the time to do what matters most by getting in touch with your inner being in alignment with who you really are, a joyous, grateful, and happy being. You don't have to spend too long in less satisfying emotions, just long enough for you to figure out what you want and focus on that. And you're getting better at noticing when you have a dip in emotion. So you correct your course and get right back on track. You love the guidance you receive from your emotions. They let you know where you're headed and what you are creating in that very moment. Nothing needs to happen right this moment. You have the ability to allow things just for a minute or two. You love knowing that you are only just a thought away from a good feeling. And you can, with practice, guide yourself to those thoughts easily and quickly. Because you know what thoughts bring you joy. Because they feel good. You believe that everything is always working out for you, because it is. And you believe that you are in the right place at the right time, because you always are. Just saying emotional words helps bring those same emotions inside you. Words like joy, ease, happiness, and abundance help to bring those feelings up inside you. You're so happy that you have redirected yourself right here and right now. You like it when good things happen for you. And you like the fact that these things happen for you often and can come at any moment. You love the surprise of one unexpected good thing that happens to you after another. And you love all the positive emotions that come in those moments. And you know how to bring them again and to hold on to them for as long as you like. You really love knowing that the universe has your back and that everything is always working out for you. You want to feel really good today. Today is going to be enjoyable for you, simply because you choose it. And you're excited to see the surprises and the delights that the universe has in store for you today. You are deserving of all the good that the universe has to offer. And for this, you are truly grateful. And so it is.